SK Hobbies AZ, and I got a treat for you guys today. So, a friend of mine, Derek from Derricks AZ RC, bought me a present. We got kind of a cool little present. Let me bring it out for you. Bam! We got the Kraton EXB. So this is the 1/8 scale. This is the one that was Arrma had on sale for pretty good discount a couple of weeks ago. I believe it's actually even on sale right now. Horizon Hobbies got a Black Friday special, so you can still get a pretty good deal on it. I think it's like I want to say it's $329 right now. But we're going to do an unboxing. So I know you guys can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see it. But this is SK Hobbies' first, we'll say, brand new RC. So I guess before we open it, let's go ahead and look at the box. So if we spin it around here. So as you can see, we got the new front bumper. You can see it there and there. It's got the new black body on this side. You can see the new thicker shock towers. You got the front and the rear. We got the thicker chassis, all aluminized. It's etched. We've got the new A-arms on it, which are, I believe, a little bit beefier and thicker. Also, here's a good view of the differential. And then you can also see it's metallized right here, the servo mount. And then it's also, you can see down here, we've got the thicker turnbuckles. And then you know, pretty good packaging. Let's open her up. So I can't really do this as good as Derek, but we're gonna try and shimmy this out of here. And then there she is. All brand new. Looks like we got some paperwork in here. But let's get her out of the box. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Slide her out. All right. There we go. Nice and springy. Let's see. So in here we've got pretty good toolkit that it comes with. It comes with all of the standard, you know, Arrma kit. It's got the wrenches, Allens. Not really going to use any of those because I got a nice little set of MIP tools to work on this bad boy. See what else comes in this package here. Well, looks like we got some adjustments for the shocks. Comes with all of that stuff. Comes with some cool Arrma stickers. And it looks like they're now including the shims for the differentials. So they're giving you some shims for it when you need it. And then we got the handy dandy manual. It's got all the parts breakdown. Although most of, I've created a whole spreadsheet that's got all the parts listed on it and everything we would need to do to cross-reference it to the other Arrma vehicles. So basically all the 6S line and everything. But let me bring you up top and let's open her up and see what's inside. All right. So, nice brand new body shell. We're going to probably get that all drywall taped and shoe glued up. Before we even run this guy, I've got some M2C parts we're going to put on it. So we're going to replace the front and the rear steering dog bones. I've got front and rear center dog bones coming. I've got the shock standoffs, the new M2C pins coming for it. We're also going to replace the rear differential housing with the Hot Racing differential housing. I do have Hot Racing C-hubs and for the front and the rear, so we're going to get those installed and go away from these the plastic ones. I really don't like how the front adjusts on it, but for these ones, so we're going to replace that. But everything is pretty much metal. We're also going to do a little bit of work with the steering linkage, and we're going to do East Tactics' C-clip job on that. So we'll get that done. The motor we're going to put in this is going to be the Castle Mamba Monster 8S. This is the one that I unboxed recently. I put it into my other Kraton. I loved it so much. We're going to transfer that over into this bad boy, and it's going to be awesome. So we're going to be able to also run 8S in this. Not sure whether I'm going to go to 8S. I ran 6S over the weekend. If you guys watched my previous video, you'll see me out there running that one along with all the other people that were involved in that event. But it's going to be amazing. I also got some 3D RC. I got the wing mount right here. We're going to get that installed. These wing mounts, I don't think they're any different than the other Arrma wing mounts that I had for the 6S. These things break very easily. You put those 3D RC ones on here, and it just becomes flexible and bendable. So if you land on that wing, it just bends back. So that's going to be cool. Also up here in the front for the spring, this plastic spring right here for the bumper, we've got 3D RC's rubberized one that's coming. So we'll get that put on here. So that's going to give us a little bit more flex in the front when we hit that. Also, I did get the M2C's shock caps for this. So we're going to replace those and do that conversion. If you've watched Rich Dupervach and also East Tactics did a whole episode on swapping out to those new shock caps. So that's going to be awesome. We're going to get those installed on here too. So the only thing we're going to need to worry about from there is just maybe some springs, put some stiffer springs on them. East Tactics did a whole drop test on them with different types of springs. So I've got them on order. They should be shipping here in December, so I'll get those put on. And so that's going to make handling a heck of a lot better. It's going to be more stiffer because we are going to be mounting bigger fans on top of the ESC and the motor. We're going to be creating some weight in this thing. So with creating some weight on it, we're going to need some stiffer springs. So with that being said, I am going to be running the Techno Orange springs for now, and then we'll eventually change over to I believe they're old Big Rock springs from the first generation Big Rock that are really stiff. So there's more to come on that. We'll do an install video on those once I get those in. Let me bring you back up front. So with that, this is pretty cool. It's got the thicker chassis plate. The M2C also makes a protective plate that goes right here, so we got that coming also. We're going to get that put on here. Also got some of that stuff for the Outcast too, so we're going to be putting some of that stuff onto the Outcast and getting that installed, kind of beefing that up for my wife, and we're going to have a good time. It's going to be awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the boxing video. Hope you guys liked. Subscribe. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ. I'm out.